Welcome back to DreamStart Labs. In this video, I would like to introduce to you a new feature on the DreamSave app that allows you to delete either your group account or Personal DreamSave account. If a savings group wishes to delete their group account with DreamSave for any reason, the group will now be able to do so once they have logged into their account. After logging in, the option to delete the group's account can be found by going to the Group Setup tab on the right hand side of your screen. As you can see, we got the Setup tab. You can click on it, and on the page that comes at the bottom, you'll see the words Delete Group Account. We click on those words, Delete Group Account, if we want to delete our account. A pop-up screen now appears to confirm that you are sure you want to delete the group's account. Deleting an account will mean that members will no longer have access to the account or any group's historical information saved on the account, like saving records and historical transactions made by the group. However, please note this. If any individual member ever wants to view this type of information about their own financial history, they will still be able to do so, but they can only do this through their Personal DreamSave account rather than the group account. If you still want to delete the group's account, click Yes, Delete Account. We can see it down there. You can click on it. Yes, Delete Account. Now you notice that we have to authorize this process. And to authorize the deletion of a group account, 3 members from the group will need to enter their passcodes into the app. You'll notice that this is the same exact process you followed to log into the account in the first place. The same 3 members can enter their passcodes, or anyone else, as long as 2 of them are officers. Our first officer, we can choose. He's there, he's already selected. We can use that one. We see here Joseph Magoba. That's okay. We can put the passcode. We'll put 111 for the sake of making it easy. We maintain the same passcode for every member. So we have successfully put in the first member. So we click on Proceed. And then the second member, Secretary. That's okay. We can use the same member. We again put in the passcode 111. We've maintained the same for simplicity. And finally, our third member. And then remember, this member does not even have to be an officer, but we can use the same officer who is our chairman, Duncan. So we put in the passcode 111, and then we confirm account deletion. Let's click on Confirm Account Deletion. It will complete the process. There you have it. It's done. The group has now been deleted and will no longer be available to log into on the DreamSave app. So an SMS will be sent to all group members with a mobile phone to let them know that this has been done, that our account has been deleted. Before closing this screen and clicking Done, be careful to note that even though you've deleted your group account, you'll still be able to restore your group account and its information if that is requested within 30 days. So make sure to hold on to your group ID. So we need to keep the group ID for this group. And after 30 days, the deletion of the account will be made permanent and you won't be able to be recovered. You won't be able to recover your group again. So with this understanding, we can click Done. That's it. So if we try to log into our group again, we'll not find it. It is not there because we have deleted it. To learn more about how to restore a deleted account, you can join me in the next video. I'll show you how we can restore a deleted account. See you there.